Hi guys, I want to show you here in this video they install silt fence and wood chips for erosion control, as you see, and stone to the construction entrance to the gate. Here you can see they installed the glass, and you have typic work and stucco. You can see here slab flashing at the bottom. You can see stucco, and here they started sheetrock and painted the steel structure. Here you can see flashing at the top, drywall work, mud and tape, painted ceiling to be white. Here you can see tyvek and opening for lights, can light, drywall work, insulation all the way, duct work. You can see insulation all the way up, insulation all the way up. Okay. Here you can see different kind of insulation with foil. That is insulation R11, and that is different insulation with foil. You have it here and at the top. Okay, here you can see drywall and insulation, mud and tape. Okay guys, paint steel structure, electrical work, entrance. And still metal door frames, paint the frame, drywall work, and here mud and tape for window opening. You can see electrical work here. Okay, you can see paint first coat. Here same thing. You can see I uploaded a video for that. They put 2x4 pressure treated here, and they put 2x4 here all the way to help them when they will install the aluminum window. You can see modern tape. Here you can see moisture resistant purple gypsum board, like 1 foot above ceiling, and here the fan, flex duct. Okay, and that is the hard metal hard for ceiling, for gypsum board, you know. Plumbing work with insulation. Here you can see insulation all the way up with foils. You know, that's per drawing. Electrical work, drywall work, duct work, plumbing work. You can see here metal. You can see here, that's the track. That's for gypsum board. Here you can see duct work. plumbing work, fan, that's for bathrooms, mud and tape, duct work. You can see mud and tape, they put that at the corner, mud and tape at the corner. Here water fountain, so that will be moisture resistance. Here you can see okay, so here we have water pipe, so that is moisture resistance. Moisture resistance, where's the water line, water pipe, you know. Here they paint block white and beige. That's the drywall work. You can see match, same color for metal and wall block paint. And here you can see there is a water pipe copper, so that will be moisture resistant. Same thing over there, over there. That's the idea, you know. Yeah. You can see here, that's for duct work, and here Tyvek and TPO, two color. Okay, paint, metal door frame. That's another acoustical ceiling, metal acoustical ceiling, and insulation. Okay guys, here pour concrete slab, paint. Here they painted steel structure, bar joist, steel ladder. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.